Okay, and this is the final, probably the final video of our demonstrative deixis relations that I want to talk about because I just wanted to give examples of how things like this can be used with these example sentences. Okay, the first example sentence we have is paanha ni dinha. Okay, this is again a classic example of using the demonstrative pronoun ni with the distant existence relationships, right? Paanha ni dinha. So I'm telling you or somebody paanha to take this object ni dinha, right? I'm telling someone to take this ni object over there, away from me. Okay, it's relative to me because I'm the one that's speaking. So ni, right, to dinha. I just want that object away. And remember, it has to rhyme. Anha, dinha. Okay? Again, anha ni dinha. Please take that object away from me, or I guess move that object away, right? And I'm telling somebody to move it away. Ba, you already know what that can indicate. Ugh. So paanha ni dinha, right? The second sentence, right? Ianhi na dinhi be. Okay, so be again, you should know what that is. Na is our demonstrative pronoun, right? And what am I asking? I'm asking for this anhi dinhi be, right? I want that na to be coming closer to me. And it's just relative to me, okay? And e again, that e shows us that it's a imperative. Okay, it's imperative in the object focus, right? Because this is our object. Duh. So the second to last sentence, the third sentence, ari ari. So ari ari, right? Ari ari bit ng plato ha. Now, there's a lot going on here, okay? Ari ari. Ari is our distant existence relationship verb movement, right? It's a movement verb. It's just been reduplicated. And you know what happens when verbs get reduplicated? It just means that it's been stressed, okay? It's been emphasized. Be, again, please, in the informal form. We have our here, the na, we have our demonstrative pronoun from kana, and this nga ligature, again, with this ha, right? It's a specifier, so we already know. Ari ari bi ng platoha, okay? I'm talking about that specific plate. I just want that to come closer to me. Maybe it's because I want it to be washed. I'm telling somebody, right? Be, please bring that plate to me because I'm probably gonna wash it or use it. And finally, we have sige. Adoa, here is our verb. Adoa sa katong auto. And here is our demonstrative pronoun, kadto, right? Sige, adoa sa katong auto. All right, go to that car. And I hope this makes sense, right? Because again, ado is going away. You're gonna go somewhere far away, right? Or to go away. It's far from you and me. To go, ado. Adoa sa katong auto. And it makes sense with kadto because we have our far away vehicle. Okay?